Today's hero? The fire truck. Boing, boing, ready for action. Oh no, there's a fire. Nina, Nina, emergency dispatch. Let's put out the fire. Whoosh. Oh, so dirty. Time to get clean. Sploosh. Who's this? The police car. Boing, boing, warming up for patrol. Uh-oh, it's a thief. Stop that thief. Whew, whew. Freeze, you're under arrest. Mission complete. Let's get shiny again. Does anyone need help? The ambulance. Boing, boing, a gentle warm-up. Oh dear, there's been an accident. Are you okay? We're on our way. Heave-ho! You're safe now. Covered in mud. It's bath time. Hey kids, time for school. The school bus. Wiggle, wiggle. This is fun. The kids are waiting. Vroom, vroom. Let's go get our friends. We're here. Everyone arrived safely. Great job today. Time for a wash. Let's clean the city. The garbage truck. Thump, thump, full of power. Yikes, the street is a mess. All right, let's start cleaning. I'll eat it all. Num num. Ah, so refreshing. All clean.
In the backyard, bright and sunny day. Open up the toy box, time to come and play. 5 little heroes ready for the call, standing by to help out one and all. Vroom, 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 the engine starts to roar. Beep, 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 we're heading out the door. Flashing lights and sirens, hear a happy sound. The best toy friends in the whole backyard town. First up is the fire truck, shiny red and bright.
Oh no, a little toy house, a flickering orange light.
Ladder up and water sprays, a whoosh and a splash.
Puts the fire out now in a single dash.
Vroom, 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 the engine starts to roar. Beep, 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 we're heading out the door. Flashing lights and sirens, hear a happy sound. The best toy friends in the whole backyard town. Here comes the police car in blue and purest white.
A little toy thief is running with all of his might.
Chasing down the pathway, weeble, weeble, go!
Blocks the way and saves the day, a hero's happy glow.
Vroom, 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 the engine starts to roar. Beep, 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 we're heading out the door. Flashing lights and sirens, hear a happy sound. The best toy friends in the whole backyard town. The ambulance is gentle, the school bus is so kind.
Helping falling toys up, leaving no one behind.
The garbage truck is hungry, munching trash with glee.
Making our whole backyard clean for you and me.
The busy day is over, the sun is getting low. Time to wash the dust off with a bubbly flow. Clean and park together, shining in a row. Good night, our backyard heroes, ready for tomorrow. Good night, everyone. So sad.
Ew, look at all the grimy and dusty friends. The excavator is covered in dirt. Cough, cough. Let's get you all clean. Up we go. Whoosh! Time for a nice, cool bath. Wow! Sparkle, sparkle. Squeaky clean and good as new. This bulldozer is covered in snow and dirt. Achoo! Come on now. Up you go. Splish! Let's wash all that grime away. Ta-da! A bright blue bulldozer again. So sticky. It's covered in yucky black oil. You're all oily. Time for a wash. Whoosh! Splash! Wash away all that slippery oil. Sparkle, sparkle. What a cool yellow dump truck. Yikes! It's a gooey, glopey mud monster. Don't worry, Muddy Roller. I'll rescue you. Up we go. Whoosh! Blast all that mud away. Swish, swish. So smooth and shiny. The road roller is brand new again. Oh my! All tangled in spider webs. Cuff, cuff. Let's get these webs off and give you a bath. Alley-oop. Splash. Whoosh. Look at the spider webs wash away. Bling, bling. The red crane looks so strong. Vroom, vroom. Look at that dusty cement mixer. You're all gray with dust. Come here. Gotcha. Splash. Let's spin and get you clean. Swirl, swirl. Squeaky clean. The bright green is back. So fresh. Sparkle, sparkle. All the clean construction friends are here. Yay!
Dirty toys, what a messy crew. Time for a wash to make you brand new. Orange excavator covered in brown dust. Looking so sad, its shiny color lost. A gentle hand comes down from the sky, picks you up gently and says, "Don't you cry." Washy, washy, time for a scrub. Splashy, splashy in the bubbly tub. Whoosh goes the water, swish goes the spray, washing all the dirt and grime away. Hooray! Blue bulldozer in the snow and dirt, with the gloomy face feeling a little hurt. Yellow dump truck with oily sticky streaks, hasn't felt shiny for so many weeks. Washy, washy, time for a scrub. Splashy, splashy in the bubbly tub. Whoosh goes the water, swish goes the spray, washing all the dirt and grime away. Hooray! Muddy road roller can't even move. Red crane and spider webs losing its groove. Green cement mixer all dusty and gray. The big water shower is coming to save the day. Washy, washy, time for a scrub. Splashy, splashy in the bubbly tub. Whoosh goes the water, swish goes the spray, washing all the dirt and grime away. Hooray! Look at them now, so bright and so clean. Orange, blue, yellow, red, and green. Sparkle, sparkle, what a happy team. Ready to play now. What a happy dream. All clean. Yay!
Vroom, vroom, racing happily down the winding dirt road. Screech! Oh no! The road is crumbling! The wheels are hanging in the air. Rumble. The ground gives way and I'm tipping over. Tumble, tumble, crash! I'm rolling all the way down the hill. Splash! I fell right into the chilly stream. Oh, I'm stuck in the water. Somebody, help me! Wee-woo, wee-woo! A friend is in trouble. The rescue team is on its way, lowering the rescue chain down carefully. Clink! Okay, it's hooked on tight and secure. Heave ho! Pull! Everyone, pull together with all your might! Drip, drip. The water is draining and I'm upright again. We did it! Now let's carefully pull you to safe ground. Vroom, vroom. I wonder what new adventure awaits today. Screech! Whoa! What's that big muddy puddle up ahead? Squish! Oh no, my wheels are sinking in the thick mud. Kerplunk! I flipped over and fell right into the muddy water. Wee-woo, wee-woo. Another emergency. The crane truck is racing to the rescue. You're completely underwater. Don't worry, we'll get you out. Splash! The heavy rescue chain is dropping into the murky water. Clink! Got it! The chain is hooked to the truck underwater. Slowly lifting our friend out of the muddy water. Thud! Setting you down. You're free! Thank you so much! Honk honk! Room, room! All the brave truck friends are heading home together.
Vroom, vroom on a sunny day. Wheels are spinning, come and play. Let's go driving, you and me. Happy as a truck can be. Orange tanker on the winding track. Sees a corner, can't turn back. The ground goes crumble, a little slip. Splash, right in the stream it dips. Oh no, help, the tanker cries with worried little headlight eyes. Wee-woo, don't you fear. Your amazing friends are here. With a hook and with a chain, we will save the day again. Honk, honk, hooray. Yellow dumper, fresh and new, doesn't see the muddy goo. The wheels sink down, a wibble wobble. Kerplunk, now he's in a lot of trouble. Upside down and stuck so tight. Everything has gone all wrong, not right. But look, a red crane tall and grand extends a hook with a steady hand. Lifts him gently from the mess. Hooray! It's a big success. Wee-woo, don't you fear. Your amazing friends are here. With a hook and with a chain, we will save the day again. Honk, honk, hooray. All the trucks are safe and sound, driving on the solid ground. Heading home, the sun is bright. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Good night, good night.
Oh no, the block tower went crash. Blue paint. Poof, a police car. Wee, woo, wee, woo. The police car speeds to the scene. Round and round, making a safe zone. Red paint. Poof, a brave fire truck. Carefully, the truck moves in to rescue. Whirr! The ladder lifts the block. White paint. Poof! A kind ambulance. Nee-naw, nee-naw. The ambulance is here. Swoosh! Rushing the teddy bear to safety. Green paint. Poof! A garbage truck. Room, room. Time to clean the mess. Swish, swash, sweeping up all the pieces. Yellow paint. Poof! A strong bulldozer. Rumble, rumble. Here comes the bulldozer. Heave-ho! Pushing the blocks into a pile. Orange paint. Poof! A clever excavator. Creak! Getting ready to move the blocks. Scoop! Lifting the blocks with its giant arm. Dark yellow paint. Poof! A sturdy dump truck. Beep, beep, beep. Backing up to get the blocks. Vroom! It carries the blocks to a new site. Red paint again. Poof! A tall tower crane. Zing! The crane stretches its arm up high. Up and up, building a brand new tower. Wow! They built a better tower.